So now what I do with my orange seeds, you would have seen in the last video, I've got the oranges, the non-GMO, organically grown oranges. So I take out the seeds, I sprout them. This is just your standard fluorescent grow light. It's probably about 80 bucks. I think it runs about 80 watt draw. So it's not going to put your power bill up heaps or anything like that. And yeah, these ones here are just about big enough to pot into pots on their own. And then once I pot them into pots on their own, they only need about 2 weeks under the fluoro. Once I pot them into pots on their own, I'll put them out the back and I'll show you them now. So here they are outside. Got all my oranges in the little pots. Now, I don't know, I've got a few vegan subscribers. I know you guys pretty much just eat all plants. I would encourage you guys to stop eating GMO stuff. Basically, first they took the seeds out back in the 70s and 80s, so we couldn't feed ourselves anymore and had to go to the supermarkets to get our food every week. Then the bugs were eating it, so they had to stop the bugs. So what they did was they spliced metals like copper sulfate, aluminium into the DNA of the plant. So what that actually means is when the plant grows, the plant will produce this. It's like part of its DNA. Somehow it will replicate aluminium and copper sulfate. Now you guys are eating this. Not only that, you're getting glyphosates, which we know is a carcinogen. So I'd encourage you to try and source local organic stuff. Stuff that's come from within your own state and not from another country, because when it comes from another country it gets x-rayed. And because what's going to happen is they're filling us full of metals in our tap water, in the air we breathe, and in the GMO food we eat, and then they're going to turn on this microwave 5G frequency. Now we all know what happens when we put metal in the microwave. That's what's going to happen to us, guys. This is why I'm doing heavy metal toxicity testing. This is why I'm doing an aggressive target detox on these metals. We've got to get them out of our system before this 5G powers up. And if you're eating GMO food, if you're buying your food at Coles, Woolworths, IGA, Farmer Jack, any of that bullshit, you're getting GMO. A lot of their food also comes from other countries, so it's getting x-rayed. And better than that, not only do they x-ray it, but if they find a little tiny pest or something in there, they will fumigate the entire container with the food in it and then sell it to us still. So try and find locally sourced organic produce, guys. Take it easy.